do some practice. For example, the juice, like a coffee. Do you know how to say coffee? Close. But this one is 咖啡. It's similar to the English 咖啡. 对 you can type here. So 你要什么? Great. Okay, ask me back. 我要咖啡 and 我要面包. So this is 咖啡. So do you like some maybe beer? Right. Beer we say 啤酒. 对，啤酒. Great. So 你要什么? Yes. Okay, let's write 果汁 here. Okay, let's read this. So this one, 咖啡. Yes, and beer, 啤酒. 对 and 果汁. Great. So about this one, 你要什么? And 你要什么? Great. And how about juice? 你要什么? Yes. And how about 面包? Great. Okay, now you ask me back. 我要面包. Try another one. Great. And 我要咖啡.我要果汁. Okay, so this is how we say the drinks. Do you have any questions? Great.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。